Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're gonna talk about the data protection that replace traditional backup and space management software. BMC AMI Cloud is a robust suite of cloud mainframe data management products that allows you to perform backup, archive, space management, and disaster recovery using cloud-based or on-premises object storage. Get capability with IBM Data Facility Storage Management Subsystem DFSMS. Create Im- create immutable data copies and air-gapped third copies in the cloud with end-to-end compression and encryption. Eh, So now we're gonna talk about the data storage that eliminate data storage that eliminates the need for traditional tape-based systems. Write mainframe data directly to the cloud with no need to inter, interim direct access storage device DASDS or having to rewrite jobs control language JCL. Transition to a cloud storage infrastructure. Eliminate the need for tape and virtual tape library VTL systems and expensive and complex tape management software. So thanks for watching our today's video. We hope you like the video. Share the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.